fake ass hoes. Talking all loud in them fake ass clothes. Fake ass shoes, man, say
Hey guys, let's jump right into this tutorial. So I'm started off by wiping off her face with my Witch Hazel toner. So what I'm doing is just removing any excess oil away from her face just so I can have a clean base. Y'all know I take my Clinique moisturizer, and I took for primer today the One Size Blur Primer. And now I'm doing her eyebrows, guys. I did take the L'Oreal pencil. I think it was a dark brown to shade in her eyebrows. It's always either the L'Oreal Morphe pencil that I use to fill in the brows. So this is her birthday makeup, and she wanted something very subtle and brown, so this is what we did. Usually when I do her makeup for her birthday, we do go all out, but this year she decided to keep it calm, which is totally fine. But we were having an amazing conversation. She is so funny. I love her, guys. Her and her best friend, I love them so much. Like, I don't know, they always keep me going throughout the appointments. It's always so funny. But now the foundation I'm taking is the NARS Macau and the Maybelline 335, which honestly in NARS will be like Moray. So I took those two as her foundation shade. So now we are going to highlight her face. We will be taking the Born This Way cookie and warm sand. And to add like an extra highlight pop, I did end up taking vanilla, I believe. Just a little bit in the inner corner to give her a little brighter under eye, but I didn't want it too bright, y'all. But the highlight was perfect. And then I took my powder puff to blend out her concealer under her eyes and everywhere else. We was having an amazing conversation. It was just so funny. Y'all just had to be there. But to bronze up her face, guys, I did take the black opal stick and this L'Oreal foundation. I mixed them two together. And then here I am adding that second highlight just to give it a little pop. And then to set under her eyes, guys, I did take the Makeup Revolution banana powder. And then to bake, I took the translucent powder. Y'all, I'm so sorry I'm blurring my face. I look a mess. You guys, it is currently my birthday week, and I just refuse for you guys to see how I look, because your girl just don't look the part at all. Cozy. So now I'm bronzing up her face with the Juvia's Place Tan bronzer. I took those two shades and I just bronzed up her nose and cheeks. And then now I am adding some shadow under her eyes. I didn't want it too dark, but you know, I'm just adding some browns under her eyes. Kind of the shades I took for her top shadow. Yeah. But after that, I added a little bit of blush, y'all. This is an eyeshadow palette I actually got from Juvia's Place, and I just use it as blush. I'm not a blushy girl as much, so I just add what I like, really. So now I'm lining her lips with the Wet n Wild Simmer Brown liner. Y'all already know this. And the LA Colors Cocoa lip liner. And then for her gloss, I took MAC Studios and NYX Fortune Cookie and Clear Gloss to pop on her lips, y'all.
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I can teach you, but I have to charge. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I can teach you, but I have to charge.
So now I'm taking my MAC mineralized powder and pressing the baking powder in her skin with this powder just to reduce flashback. Y'all, I learned this from Kiki Adams a long time ago. I've been doing makeup for 9 years now, and I've been doing it for like 7 years, and it do not disappoint. I love it. So now I'm bringing the color back to her skin with the same bronzer, spraying her face with my Makeup Revolution before I apply the highlighter just to kind of hydrate her skin a little bit. And I took the Morphe Continuous Spray, but I didn't add that. Y'all, I'm taking my favorite highlighters, which is the Fenty Diamond Bombs. I love me a glittery highlight, y'all. Give it to me all day, every day. For some reason, the other highlights give me a chalky look. The ones I used to sell were perfect for me, but I don't sell them no more. I will soon. But y'all, this highlight is perfect. This will keep you glowing all night and glittery, especially when you're taking videos and pictures. Like, it's just so pretty. Look at it. But yeah, y'all, I took my one side spray after I added this gloss again. And she is all done, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. This was all for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my birthday vlog. Yes, I heard it, my birthday vlog. Alrighty, bye guys.
Watch if you're smart.